Hi guys, this video is about chaotic AOR. This is a URL we all should bookmark and put apart because of the fact that Erik stopped working, sure, right? We stopped developing, but I wouldn't say bulk, but a lot of packages migrated to my personal repo, as I still want, of course, to have an operating system. So the Erik Nemesis scripts together with the Nemesis repo contain basically Erik. In another version, another way, another package, another name, but a lot of Erik stuff are here and a lot of edu stuff, and edu is nothing more than, for example, this one, the dot files, is maybe over 15 packages all in one, right? My decisions, my personal decision without any consult of anybody, my choices of i3, LoveWM, Awesome, BSPWM, some tiny window managers, but not all. Now, since we have the possibility to use anything Arch, right? Take a look at this particular GitHub. Certainly something to bookmark as well. Not Nemesis repo, but yeah, sure, you can bookmark it because it contains interesting packages. What I wanted to say, of course, is bookmark this Erik Nemesis because in here you can read what is the point of all this. The point is to install whatever OS. I really mean whatever OS. But yes, we are still focused on Arch stuff, right? That's what we'll run and use because of, yeah, we know, and there are 5,000 videos to explain you as well how this OS works, how Arch Linux works, and anything based on Arch works. But there's more, right? Like these guys. Now the punchline, we have a new pacman.conf. We rely on Nemesis repo and we rely on this one, right? Chaotic AOR. So the real intention of this video is, guys, all of us who are using chaotic AOR and things that are not working or things that should be added, please sign up and sign in and ask for request a new package that's not still there, that is on the AOR. You need to build it each time. You can request it that it comes on this particular repo. Then we all have it, right? If one does the work, then we all can benefit from it. That's one thing. And say what you do and do what you say. This is me saying, please, pacman git wasn't working, and at this point in time it still isn't, but that's okay, right? The scripts need to run at a certain point in time. That's just programming. So there is the chaotic AOR who has a pacman git, and there is the AOR. The one from the AOR works. So if I run this one, I say number 1, it works, but not the one from chaotic AOR. And that's the point of the video. If there is something not working, take the time to quickly say, guys, rebuild it because of whatever dependencies that changed and all the errors that you need to do. And I showed this in pictures, but they told me I shouldn't do that. That's too much work, right? Just say error while loading libraries is generally sufficient. So don't put too much energy in it, but the main thing is if one person is going to report it, then thousands of people benefit from it. That's the point. So bookmark this particular URL. I'll put it beneath the video, right? Chaotic AOR packages is where you can find a lot of information, as you see. But the best thing is, of course, I'll share this one so you immediately can open and then make a new one if you want and follow. First, take a look at their rules. They have some rules. Of course, you follow what you should do, and that's it. If you click on the button, you have 3-4 choices or something. Choose wisely and follow what they ask you to do, and that's it. Alright, chaotic KOR can be super great and super good if we, every one of us, reports, asks things, and then we all benefit from it. Cheers.